Thank you for viewing this portion of the Institute for Perception's video tour of IFPrograms. In this video, we will be using the multiple to AFC comparisons functionality. To access this functionality, scroll your mouse to the top of your screen to select the discrimination option. A drop-down will appear from which you will then select force choice and then the multiple to AFC option. A dialog box will then appear. Below Data Specifications, you are required to select a data set. Click the downward arrow beside the Select Data field to select the data set you wish to use. An example of a data set with 4 stimuli is shown below. Each row represents a specific pairing. Each sample receives a specific code or label. The first 2 columns are the sample labels of the pair. The third column indicates how many times the product in the first column was chosen as stronger than the product in the second column. The last column shows how many times each pair was evaluated. There is no limit on the number of products that can be evaluated. Also, it is not essential that all possible pairs be presented or that they be evaluated the same number of times. However, the more complete the data set, the better the parameter estimations. We will go ahead and select the force choice multiple to AFC test data set, which is also available within your example dataset folder within IFPrograms. Pressing the OK button runs the analysis and will also close the dialog box. Pressing Apply will also run the analysis, but will allow the dialog box to remain open. We would use this button if we had multiple analyses to enter by hand. In this example, we'll just press OK. The analysis runs, a graphic is produced that can be copied and pasted into such applications as PowerPoint, and the results are shown in the output panel to the right. All D' values are given relative to product 1. The report window provides additional information. The quality of the model is determined by comparing the model we are testing, specific model with 4 distributions, i.e. 3 independent D' values, with the saturated model, best fit of the data, using the method of maximum likelihood. 2 models can be compared by taking the difference between their likelihood values, which gives a chi-square value, in our case 141.13 minus 140.95 equals 0.18, with the number of degrees of freedom equal to the difference in the number of parameters, in our case 6 minus 6 equals 3. The chi-square test in our example is not significant, p equals 0.98. This indicates that our assumption of a unidimensional difference with distributions of equal variance is suitable. If those 2 models are significantly different, a more complex model is required. The specific model is also significantly different from the guessing model with only 1 distribution, so a significant difference exists among the products. That concludes this portion of the Institute for Perception's video tour of IFPrograms. Thanks again for viewing. We hope you have found this information helpful. For other topics, please visit our YouTube channel or visit www.ifpress.com/software/help.